Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off auto-applied recommendations in Google Ads. We'll walk through where to find the setting and how to review the recommendation categories that may be applying changes automatically to your campaigns. This is useful if you want more control over your account and prefer to approve optimization suggestions manually instead of having Google Ads apply them for you. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you are on the main overview page for the account you want to manage. Starting from the overview page gives you a clear entry point into the campaign settings and recommendation controls. From there, click on the campaign you want to work with. This is important because auto-applied recommendations can affect campaign behavior, and reviewing the correct campaign helps ensure you're adjusting the right settings for your advertising goals. Once you're inside the campaign area, look for the recommendations section and click on it. The recommendations page is where Google Ads shows suggested improvements, such as updates to bidding, keywords, ads, or targeting. Some of these recommendations can be set to apply automatically, which is why this section is the right place to manage them. Next, click on Auto Apply Settings. This opens the area where Google Ads groups automatic recommendations into categories. Here you can review what kinds of changes may currently be allowed to happen without manual approval. In the Auto Apply Settings page, click on the Maintain Your Ads section. You'll see the available recommendation selections in that category. This section typically includes recommendations related to keeping your ads active, relevant, and aligned with platform best practices. Take a moment to review what's enabled so you understand which updates may be happening automatically. After that, click on the Grow Business section. This will display another set of recommendation types available for auto application. These are generally more focused on performance and expansion opportunities, so it's especially important to review them carefully if you want tighter control over campaign changes. As you go through these sections, pay close attention to which recommendation types are selected. The key idea here is to identify the categories that are set to apply automatically and review them based on how hands-on you want to be with campaign management. If you manage multiple campaigns, it can also be helpful to repeat this review anywhere you want the same level of control. That's the process for finding and reviewing auto-applied recommendation settings in Google Ads. Once you've checked both sections, you'll have a better understanding of how automatic changes are being handled in your account.